All right. Well, what's up, guys? We got another video today. Our good friend Jeff here sent us a dash cam. So we're gonna do kind of a funny little video today where we put a little Jeff dash cam in our little Tacoma. We got a dash cam. It's got a little camera that looks back, and I'm assuming it turns around.
Can you tell me where it's from?
Jeff. Jeff sent Jeff. Jeff sent this to us. China. So anyways, comes with some accessories here. We got it's a little short USB-C cable.
Oh, hey, look.
We're not, yeah, we're probably not going to do that. So, anyways, we got a little suction cup mount, so you can suction cup into the windshield. They don't really give you any other way to attach that, so it's going on the windshield. This is the camera that looks back, because I guess technically there's 3 cameras. You got this one, and then this one that looks in the back window. There's a whole bunch of wire right here, like connects that end, and then plugs into that end. And yeah, so it's pretty nice. Comes with a little SD card pre-installed. Probably, yeah. I'm not going to be able to get it out, but just take my word. There's an SD card in there. See it? Yeah. I think the first thing we're going to do here is the hardest thing, which is mounting this cheesy little camera in the back window. And we got a little piece of foam here, and we'll put that. Yeah, that comes with a couple little very solid looking screws that will hold this in. So we'll show you where we're going to put it. Let's go. How do I put the headrest? First of all, put the driver's seat forward.
Oh yeah.
We're on fast mode right now. I'm also going to put the seat back all the way forward, so that way when Jake gets in here to drive this thing later, he has to readjust the seat. I'm going to hop on in the back seat here. Got a couple places we can put this camera, you know. Actually, I lied. We have one place we can put this camera, because this sliding window opens up to the sliding window here, you know, it opens to the passenger side. So we're going to use this little plastic rail because they made it long for some reason. Really long. It's long. It's not doing anything over here.
It's not short.
Yeah. So, you know, we got these little microscopic screws that we're going to put in here. And then, screwdriver. You see this little camera? It's going to go right there. So it's looking at the back. And then we'll take the wire here and we're going to tuck it up. We're going to hide it. Hide the wire. See that? It'll go up in here and then all the way up to the front where the dash cam is. These tiny little screws. We only have 2. I imagine I will drop at least 1. And I dropped the screw. Put the old default here on default mode. Nice. Look at that. Looks like the perfect size hole.
Like a glove.
There, first and foremost, you know, yeah, it's gonna sit there like that. Nice. See that? Yeah. So now I'm gonna find out how short these screws are.
Oh, you got it.
Yes, indeed. And you see, you can take this and we can hide it now. Aha! You see. We'll get there. We'll get there.
One step at a time.
One step at a time. No, we're not going to need these drill bits anymore. So we got this. I don't know what you want to call it. Extension cable?
Male to female.
Yeah. Male, female. They plug together. Yes. Yes. Then 12 years. Then it comes to this end, you know, that little headphone jack looking guy, which plugs into the dash cam. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna hide it. And we're gonna take this, we're gonna hide it. Gonna go in here. We're gonna tuck it in here. Probably go behind here. We're gonna tuck it up here, and then it's gonna come out up over there.
Would that affect the airbag?
I can see the comments right now.
Oh my god! You can't put the wires next to the current airbag. When you crash, someone's gonna die because the airbag's not gonna go off because it's gonna be all wrapped in this wire.
We don't care. Okay, we do not care. We don't care.
Here.
Yes. Never done this before. You just get your finger up in there and you just stuff her on in. See that? Oh yeah. Once you get your finger up in there, sometimes if you lick your finger, it's a little wet. Helps. So, I think that's a success. Yeah.
So far, so smooth.
Yeah, you know, there's about
18 feet of.
yeah, there's probably a solid amount of wire stuffed up in the front here, right in front of the windshield there. I can see the comments already.
Oh, but it's gonna fall out when he slams on the brakes. He's not gonna be able to see it. You could crash into somebody and die.
But anyways, I think this is a success running the wire. I think the next thing we need to do is find a spot for the dash cam because, well, I mean, none of this does any good without the dash cam,
Let
right?
me go grab it.
Yeah, Andrew's gonna go grab it.
Hey, can you go grab that?
We got the real tools.
Push that wire in there, boy.
Oh yeah, it's getting pushed in there. Oh, I mean, it might be pushed in there so good it's not even gonna work.
That would be our life.
There we go. That's good enough. What we have here is a standard car 12-volt cigarette lighter, whatever, 5-volt USB-C, USB-C one end, car charger other end. Plug in here, plug in there. Power. Record.
Power good.
Dash cam work. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this. Funny thing about this trail hunter, we have one singular 12-volt plug.
And yet, they put a 120 volt back here.
Yeah, I wanted to put it back there, but there's nowhere to plug it in back there. So, yeah, I mean, we probably could get, you know, one of them barrels that's got just a couple leads coming off, tuck it up under the dash somewhere with this stupid thing plugged in, but I don't really like that idea either. I'd rather be plugged in somewhere where when this thing dies, you can change it out because it's gonna die. Like,
Chinese.
yeah, it smells like China, so you know it's not gonna last. So yeah, we better make sure it's somewhere it can be changed out easily, right? Just saying. So we're gonna take it from here, and we're gonna put probably most of the slack in the glove box here, and we're gonna tuck it around, get it up over here, kind of similar deal like we did with the camera in the back. We're gonna tuck it up in here, bring it around.
Double wrap it around the airbag.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure it's wrapped all the way around the airbag multiple times.
Constricting it.
Yeah, like a boa constrictor around the airbag. And you see, that's for safety because we don't want the airbags deploying in a harmful manner. So thinking like, yeah, we'll leave it plugged in here. And, there's actually more gap on this side than there was on the other side.
It's almost meant to be.
It's like somebody somewhere was like, yeah, they're gonna put a dash cam in this thing, so we need to make sure that, like, oh, by the way, this little plastic wedge thing here, you can pick these up at Harbor Freight in a little kit. They're real nice for stuff like this because you can get behind plastic and stuff. You don't have to worry about it's not gonna break the windshield. It breaks the whole windshield. Yeah, these are plastic, they don't hurt anything, so. like that. And then like this. See? See that? See that? See it? No, you don't see it. That's the whole point.
My God.
So you know where all that cable's going. Just make sure it's getting plugged in there.
Nice.
And Andrew had his. He goes, "Which end are you plugging in?" Well, I don't know. And the plug.
Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was, you know, a video of installing a dash cam, but you know.
Here's how to do it.
Yeah.
Buy a generic dash cam, this is how you install it.
Yes. So until next time, like and subscribe, share this video. Until next time.
Comment, subscribe.
Yeah, leave a comment even if it's hate. We'll respond back.
Push the thumbs up
Yeah.
button. Don't push the
We'll
thumbs
give you shit
down
back.
button.
We'll try.
Yeah.
We'll try.
If you push the thumbs
we're
down
pussies.
button, I'm gonna come find you.
We'll come find you. We'll track your IP address. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.